Welcome to Minee Strategy educational videos. One of the central educational problems is the imbalance in using the two brain lobes. This issue becomes too evident while solving scientific problems. This video explains how Minee can activate the two lobes and invest many mental abilities in your brain through solving problems in an easy, innate approach. We will talk about this idea at two levels. The first is the simple analysis of Minee Strategy. The second is the quick presentation of the mental skills. Let's start with the simple analysis of Minee. Here we will calmly and briefly examine what Minee does when solving the problem. When you start tree planting, you have two options. Either you will begin writing the required quantity, which means you think analytically, using the left lobe, or start drawing the cloud, which means you are using the right and think artistically. By the way, you do not need to decide which way you will take. Your mental attitudes will do that on your behalf. When you move up to the first ascending arrow, your mind may destine to associate the required quantity with the necessary formula. That is, you think using the left lobe, or will direct to the drawing process itself. That is, you focus on the right lobe. Thus, this process repeated as we climbed our thinking tree. When you write the scientific formula in numbers, you're using the left lobe. When you're drawing a cloud, you're using the right. When you draw the arrows, the two probabilities exist. Once to the right and once to the left. Aha! That's quite perfect. This is for simplicity, of course. Now, what does that mean? It means that your thoughts swing left and right, enjoying this thinking manner. This is scientifically called mutual stimulation. It's an easy, effective technique. This dancing between the two lobes happens without any effort. It happens entirely spontaneously. Did you get the idea now? Just as this aspect can be viewed from a physiological point of view, rising from the two lobes functions, it can be reinforced from a psychology point of view based on the overall thinking process by looking at logic and emotion. That's about the first step. The second step, fruit picking, is an arithmetic step that focuses on the left lobe if you want to keep it. Instead, you may prefer to activate the right one by using the clouds here too. In addition, you might like to color the calculation the way you want, or add free shapes you desire. Up to you. Okay, let's move now to the second level. The quick presentation of the mental skills. This figure shows the essential skills Minee Strategy activates. And if you want more, here's an expanded list of skills and some similes to excite your mind. More deep theories explain what happens in your mind, but we advise you to understand this easy viewpoint first. It helps you explore your capabilities, determine the future path, and plan for your success in life. The world is waiting for you. Well, we've finished our journey today. In our next video, we will direct our compass in another direction, where we will speak in a language that specialists and leaders like. Have a nice day.